Hello my rubies, my beautiful primas. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I snatch and contour my face. Double chins can literally be because of weight gain, or if it's just in your genetics, or even if you're aging. Definitely all those have to do with that, but it doesn't matter. We're all humans, and why not learn how to snatch your face from someone that knows their face? I'm so excited to show you guys this updated routine and these tips and tricks I've learned on the way of knowing my face. So stay tuned.
So I ended up doing my eyes off camera because we're focusing on the face today. I ended up using my e.l.f. Camo concealer in medium peach, and I only used it to clean up this eyeshadow. But now let's get to the skin prep. Today I'm going to be using my Super Berry Cream from Kiwi Spa. It's so hydrating and it smells so good. And it's natural as well. Honestly, you guys, the key to a good face is a good skin prep. Now for my serum, I'm going to be using the hyaluronic acid serum from Good Molecules. Good Molecules has the best skincare line ever. They literally break down all the ingredients down to the percentage. It's amazing. For my primer today, I'm going to be using my Benefit Poreless primer. It's literally amazing and it photographs beautifully. Now that the skin's prepped, I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Dewy foundation in pure beige and my Fenty Beauty Hydrating foundation in 240, and I'm going to be mixing them both. The concealer brush I'm using today is from Bare Minerals. It's a beautiful brush. It gets in all the crevices. I definitely suggest this for your kit or for your everyday. I also love using it to mix my foundations. So this is what it looks like on there. I only use 2 to 1 pumps of each foundation, so 3 pumps total, and honestly it looks like a lot, but that's all I need for my foundation and it's more than enough. Now I'm gonna mix and we're gonna see some magic happen. So now I'm gonna be grabbing that concealer brush and I'm just gonna be putting that foundation all over my face, but I'm gonna start with where the areas of my face are darker with dark spots or any areas like that, and I'm going to set that there first and I'm just gonna go all around that. When I do more eyeshadow based looks, I like doing my eyes first, and when it's time to come to the foundation, you really want to go around your eyebrows like this, because you definitely don't want anything to touch your eyebrows, so you want to go around it like this with the concealer brush or a beauty blender. Now that I finished placing down my foundation with my concealer brush, I'm now going to be going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation brush. It's literally chef's kiss everything. This brush is genuinely so soft and it buffs out everything so smoothly, and you save so much more money on not spending it on sponges. I feel like this brush is definitely worth having in your kit. Now that that's all blended, I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in medium peach. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my tips and tricks on how I snatch my face, and I came up with the V3L method. The first step to snatching this face is the highlighting part. I'm going to start underneath my eyes and I'm going to make sure it's a nice V, but it's going to be nice and small so it's nice and uplifting the face. Right down on the sides of my nose as well, and on the tip of my nose. So now on the chin, you want to create that V. That V is so important because that is lifting your face. That's the highlight illusion of lifting the face. Underneath my eyes, it is still a V. It's just not those big triangles that people used to do with highlighting, because we don't have to do that anymore. Highlight right above your lip, you guys. It makes all the difference, and I'll tell you why later. So right below the cheekbone, you want to make this line and connect it to the V. This line right below the cheekbone is really going to help you emphasize the snatched look, and also it's going to help with where not to put your bronzer. So that is it for the highlighting portion of it. You got the V's going on, you got the nice uplifted look going. It's what I like to call the V step, and now it's time to snatch the face and start contouring. For contour today, I'm going to be using my cream bronzer in Teddy. I absolutely love it. I love how it melts into the skin, but now we're going to be stepping into the 3 part of this routine. So for this part, most of you guys probably already know this tip. You basically want to create the number 3 on the side of your face. I like starting with my cheekbone and working up my temple area to create that. I love stippling in my brush because it really just sets into the skin beautifully and seamlessly. So I like stippling all that product in, and then when I feel like it's good enough, I like to smooth it out. So now that I have that contour in my cheekbone and my temple, I'm now gonna bring it down jawline to the chin for a nice chiseled effect. I learned this 3 method by Makeup by Mario. But now back to the V part. The V part is so important, you guys. Look at where my double chin is. I'm gonna be contouring that part, and I'm going to be cutting it into a V shape so it's nice, chiseled, and contour. I'm creating that shadow as we speak, literally into a V. So last but not least, the L method. So when we did that 3 in the beginning, you want to bring it down and create an L. The L method is literally life-changing, you guys. When I started doing this in my routine, it just made all the difference. Instead of just leaving it jawline to the chin, we're gonna bring that down. I'm gonna go back in with my brush and just go down on that line and literally create an L. It's giving you that structure and that shadow and that amazing illusion. Highlighting and contouring is definitely one of my favorite parts about makeup. Like, look at the shadow. Do you guys see that? Literally amazing. Do you see that L shape? And it's already giving it that shadow. But that is it for the V3L method, you guys. It is really amazing and so helpful. It was never put into a method, so I wanted to shorten it up and make it as easy as possible. But look at my face. You can legitimately tell a difference from my left face to my right face. And look at my chin. It is literally snatched. Like, it really is. So, like, look at that. That's insane. But now I'm literally just gonna repeat those steps on my other side of my face. And contouring like this honestly comes in second nature. Like, you guys will definitely get used to it. It's really easy. Now to blend out all this highlight, I'm gonna be using my Bare Minerals Deluxe Foundation Buffing Brush. It is such a great brush. You guys can use whatever you want. You can use a sponge or a brush, whatever you please. I made sure to blend out my Cupid's bow highlight because we're gonna be contouring that soon. Blending that highlight right below your cheekbone is going to really snatch your face. Now for the nose. Basically, when you're contouring your nose, you always want to create 2 lines on top of your nose instead of on the sides of your nose. Because if you do the sides of your nose, it'll just appear bigger. For the tip of my nose, I like creating a diamond tip. Now onto the Cupid's bow. You just want to put a line straight in the middle of your Cupid's bow. It makes your lips more defined and it looks sexier. Now I'm gonna put contour right below my lip. When you contour on and right below your lip, it just creates a bigger illusion of an even bigger lip, and who doesn't like a bigger lip? Now when it comes to these contoured areas, you definitely want to buff in the product, and if you have a beauty blender, press in the product. I hope you beauties have been enjoying this video, and if you guys have, please give it a thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me, and thank you for watching this far into the video. You're the realest, you're the baddest. I love you. Now that I finished blending out my highlight, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Bronzer in Caramel Cutie, and I'm going to highlight the perimeters of my face so I can give it a nice warmth. And with this bronzer, I'm gonna go in really lightly and just add that warmth onto my face. Because with the cream contour, we contoured, and now with the bronzer, we're going to be adding that warmth back into the face. Let me know in the comment section down below what's your most favorite part about doing your makeup. You guys already know highlighting and contouring is mine because Lord knows I have the biggest forehead. But now we're looking snatched. Now that I'm done bronzing up my face, I'm going to be using my new Cha Cha lip and cheek stain. It's in the shade Mango. I absolutely love it. It's from Benefit. So now, blush placement is everything. You want to place your blush where you place your highlight, right on there. Not on your cheek, unless if you like that roundness, but right on top of where you would put your highlight. Because even though we're done contouring, the snatch isn't finished. So with that being said, blush placement is literally everything. It will change your face shape. Can we talk about how beautiful this orange blush is? Orange blush literally looks so beautiful on anyone. If you never tried orange blush, I dare you right now to try it. Blush is literally a flush of color. Some people tend to stay away from blushes because they look too intense, but really, blush is a flush of color and you control how much blush you want on your face. But I love it. So onto my lips. I'm going to be using a brown eyeshadow. You can use a brown eyeshadow from any palette you have. And I'm just going to outline my lips. I love outlining my lips because it just emphasizes the lip. For my top lip, I love outlining and emphasizing my Cupid's bow. Definitely don't go across and just make a circular line. Emphasize your Cupid's bow if you do have one, because you can make your lips bigger that way as well without taking that nice Cupid's bow away. And if you don't, definitely do go across your lip and overline it to make it bigger that way, but you can also make it big the other way. And I almost forgot, put a line right in the middle of your bottom lip and thank me later. This is literally going to make your lips look so juicy. Please let me know how your lips look like after this. Now I'm going to be going into my Morphe lip gloss and chill. Guys, there's just something about a brown nude lip that just does it for me. With my lip gloss, I'm making sure I'm blending out everything I outlined it in so it looks nice and seamless. I'm now going to be going into my most favorite highlight ever. It's my Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb highlighter in How Many Carats. I put this right above my blush and right in the center, nothing more, nothing less. Ooh, you guys, I almost forgot. So when you're highlighting your Cupid's bow, don't go on your lip, but on your Cupid's bow, because we don't do sweaty lips over here, baby. Now to seal everything in, I'm going to be going in with my Fenty Beauty powder in Banana. I love this powder. Now to lock everything in, I'm going to be going in with my powder and I'm going to set right below the cheekbone area for a nice snatched look. Setting here is really key, and right in the T-zone as well. Nothing too much, just to set everything in place.
And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys took something home with you guys and learned something new, because that is my updated face routine. I had so much fun filming it, and I genuinely feel like those tips and tricks do so much with your makeup routine. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below what you guys feel and what video I should do next. But until then, keep shining and I love you guys. Bye.